Crash course on Belgium, exploring art, museums, music, and performing arts. Belgium, a country known for its rich cultural heritage and artistic contributions, offers a captivating journey through its art, museums, music, and performing arts. From world-renowned museums to vibrant music scenes and captivating performances, Belgium's creative spirit enchants visitors from around the globe. Art history and museums. Belgium's art history is deeply rooted in its medieval past and the Renaissance era. The Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium in Brussels showcase an impressive collection of Flemish and Belgian masterpieces, including works by artists like Pieter Bruegel and René Magritte. The Museum of Modern Art, MHKA, in Antwerp offers contemporary art exhibitions, representing the country's thriving art scene. One of the most famous art examples in Belgium is the Ghent Altarpiece, a magnificent polyptych painting created by the Van Eyck brothers in the 15th century, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship and religious symbolism. Music and performing arts. Belgium's music scene is diverse and vibrant, with a rich history of classical, jazz, and electronic music. The country has produced internationally acclaimed musicians, such as Adolphe Sax, the inventor of the saxophone. Festivals like Tomorrowland, one of the world's largest electronic dance music festivals held in Boom, attract music enthusiasts from all over the world. Additionally, the Queen Elisabeth competition, held annually in Brussels, celebrates young classical musicians and performers. Belgium boasts a thriving performing arts culture, with renowned theater companies and ballet ensembles, enchanting audiences with their exceptional talent and creativity. Top 12 attractions of art, museums, music, and performing arts in Belgium. 1. Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium, Brussels, a treasure trove of Flemish and Belgian masterpieces. 2. Museum of Modern Art, MHKA, Antwerp, showcasing contemporary art from Belgian and international artists. 3. Ghent Altarpiece, Ghent, a masterpiece of medieval art, created by the Van Eyck brothers. 4. Tomorrowland, Boom, one of the world's biggest electronic dance music festivals. 5. Queen Elizabeth Competition, Brussels, celebrating young classical musicians and performers. 6. Atomium, Brussels, a unique architectural marvel and museum celebrating the Atomium Expo of 1958. 7. Gravenstein Castle, Ghent, a medieval fortress with a rich history and stunning views of the city. 8. Concertgebouw, Bruges, a renowned concert hall hosting classical and contemporary performances. 9. Royal Ballet of Flanders, Antwerp, a world-class ballet ensemble captivating audiences with their artistry. 10. Magritte Museum, Brussels, dedicated to the surrealist works of René Magritte. 11. Cathedral of Our Lady, Antwerp, a stunning Gothic cathedral with impressive artworks, including Rubens' masterpieces. 12. Leuven Jazz Festival, Leuven, a celebration of jazz music featuring both national and international artists. Summarization. Belgium's art, museums, music, and performing arts scene present a captivating journey through its rich cultural heritage. From medieval masterpieces to contemporary exhibits, the country's museums showcase a diverse range of artistic expressions. The music and performing arts culture offer a dynamic and vibrant experience, with world-class festivals and performances. Belgium's creative spirit continues to inspire and excite both locals and visitors alike, leaving a lasting impression on those who explore its cultural gems. Poem, Belgium's Artful Symphony. Crash course on Belgium's land, where art and culture hand in hand, a symphony of creativity. In museums and galleries, it's a jubilee. In Brussels, the masterpieces reside, Royal Museums, a majestic guide, Flemish and Belgian art they reveal, a treasure trove of beauty to feel. Ghent Altarpiece, a sight to behold, Van Eyck's brilliance, stories untold, medieval strokes, a heavenly grace, in Ghent's heart, a sacred embrace. Antwerp's MHKA, modern's realm, contemporary spirits take the helm, colors dance, ideas flow, Belgium's art, a living glow. Tomorrowland's electric fire, boom's domain, music's empire, rhythmic beats, souls unite, dancing through the starry night. Queen Elisabeth's competition grand, young talents on music's strand, classical dreams, symphonic might, in Brussels Hall, a starry night. Performing arts, a graceful scene, ballet's realm, where dreams convene, talented feet, in motion sway, Belgium's art, forever at play. Song, the melody of Belgium. Verse 1, in Belgium's heart, a land of art, where history and culture do impart, museums grand, their stories stand, a symphony of creativity, so grand. Chorus O, Belgium, your melody sweet, where art and music always meet, in every stroke and every note, your soulful charm, forever floats. Verse 2, Ghent Altarpiece, a sight divine, Van Eyck's legacy, forever shine, modern art in Antwerp's MHKA, a canvas of colors in full display. Chorus O, Belgium, your melody sweet, where art and music always meet, in every stroke and every note, your soulful charm, forever floats. Bridge, Tomorrowland's electric crowd, dancing to the music loud, Queen Elisabeth, young talents rise, a symphonic dream that never dies. Chorus O, Belgium, your melody sweet, where art and music always meet, in every stroke and every note, your soulful charm, forever floats. Verse 3, Ballet's grace, in Antwerp's land, performing arts, a dream so grand, Belgium's spirit, forever free, in art and music, we all agree. Chorus O, Belgium, your melody sweet, where art and music always meet, in every stroke and every note, your soulful charm, forever floats. Outro, Belgium's symphony, an ode to thee, in your embrace, we find harmony, with art and music, hand in hand, a timeless melody, forever stand. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.